When I decided to get a dental implant, it was really based on an incident that happened, 50 years ago. And that was because when I was a young girl, I had my 2 front teeth knocked out. And the dentist at the time was able to put them back in, and I had a splint for the entire time I went to high school. And then when I went to college, he removed the splint, and I always had some discoloration on my teeth. And then later on, when I was in graduate school, one of the teeth became infected. And so that had to come out, and I had a bridge. So I've had a bridge the majority of my life, and I've had dental problems the majority of my life. And I was going to have the other tooth taken out. Then that would have been a larger bridge, or I could have had implants. And so we talked about the pros and cons of each, and I just decided I wanted to do something permanent that I didn't have to deal with ever again. And then the day that I got them, it was amazing, because all of a sudden I have these beautiful teeth and I'm not gonna have to worry about them. After that accident, I've always been conscious of my teeth, my front teeth. And people have commented on them at different places. Like if you're in a restaurant that has different kind of lighting, they would kind of fluoresce, And so when we decided to do the implants and when we decided to do the veneers, I really wanted something that looked natural, and that for my job, I have to spend time out in eating situations with people. I have to go with donors and stakeholders, and we have to have dinner, and we have to have lunch, and we have to go out in the evenings. And it's so important that they look natural, wherever I'm at, whatever kind of lighting. And that's what I feel this does. And we specifically looked at colors and how to match the color of my existing teeth, because I didn't want all of the work done like on my bottom teeth. And so because of that, it feels very natural. I think that they look appropriate, and I think people notice my smile, they don't notice my teeth.